Desmos is ideal to find points of intersections to help us solve equations. And here we have an equation, and we see that we have a k value there, which is going to be a variable. But Desmos can give us a slider, and we can play around with that and see where does this graph intersect this graph with the solution at x equals 9. So let's go ahead and graph the left-hand side. And we can grab the square root function down here. We can say x squared minus kx. And we see that Desmos notices that we need a slider. Look at that strange graph. And then we can graph the right-hand side, y equals x minus 3. That's going to be a straight line. And now we need, for these two things to intersect at x equals 9, we can go ahead and write down x equals 9 so that we can see, okay, so the red graph, which is the left-hand side, must intersect the green straight line on the purple line. And so I think we're going to have to zoom out a little bit. Luckily, we have some choices here. We can even go ahead and substitute each of them there. We can do the slider and also see, okay, it looks like that will be a point at k equals 3. Green will touch red. But it needs to cut on the purple line, so it needs to be a little further. It looks like there. That could be it. K equals 5 looks like possibly the right answer. We can try the others. Let's see, minus 5, definitely not intersecting. 0, not intersecting. We can put 9 in, definitely not. Green does not intersect red. So through a process of elimination, we're checking that they cut, and definitely there, Desmos senses we want the point of intersection, and it cuts at 9, 6. They intersect at the point x coordinate 9 and y coordinate 6. So k equals 9 is the correct answer. Oh, k equals 5 is the right answer, of course. K equals 5 is the right answer. There is k equals 5. My bad.